Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Mark. How are you doing today, Sophia?
I'm doing great, Mark. I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Me too. And hey, before we start, we have a free lesson for you. You can download it. The link is in the description below. Please subscribe to our podcast, click the like button, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps other learners find us.
Yes, sharing is so important. It helps more people learn English. Okay, Mark, what's our topic today?
Today, we're talking about a very important question. How do you think in English? Do you translate in your head?
Yes, many learners do this. They think in their language first, then they translate every word to English. This is very slow.
Exactly. And today, we will teach you a simple method to stop translating. We will teach you how to think directly in English.
This lesson is perfect for A2 learners. If you translate a lot, this lesson will help you.
So, let's start with the problem. Sophia, when learners translate, what happens?
Well, it's slow. You think in your language first, then you translate, then you speak. It takes too much time.
Right, and sometimes the translation is wrong because every language is different.
Exactly. So, what's the solution? The solution is very simple. We need to create pictures in our mind.
Yes, pictures, mental images. This is the key.
When you learn a new word, don't translate it. Instead, make a picture in your mind.
Let me give you an example. The word is apple. What do you see?
I see a red apple, round, shiny. I can imagine holding it in my hand.
Perfect. You created a mental image. You see the apple in your mind. You don't think about the word in your language. You just see the picture.
Exactly. Picture first, then English word. No translation in the middle.
This is called visualization. You visualize the word. You create a mental image.
And this works for all vocabulary. Every time you learn a new word, make a picture in your mind.
Let's practice together. I will say a word, you create a picture in your mind. Ready?
Ready. Let's do it.
Okay, the word is tree.
I see a big tree. It has green leaves. It's tall. There's a brown trunk.
Excellent. You created a clear picture. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about a tree. What do you see? What color are the leaves? How tall is the tree? Create the picture in your mind. Take a moment. Do it now.
Good. Did you see the tree in your mind? Great job.
Now, let's try another word. The word is cup.
Okay, I see a white cup. It's on a table. There's coffee inside. I can see steam coming up.
Perfect. You added details. The color, the location, what's inside. This makes the picture stronger.
Yes, more details make the connection stronger in your brain.
Now, listeners, visualize a cup. What color is it? What's inside? Where is it? Create the picture. Answer out loud if you want. Describe what you see.
Excellent. This is the first step, visualization, creating mental images.
And the important thing is, when you see the picture in your mind, you think the English word, not your language, just English.
Right. Picture and English word together. Direct connection.
Let's practice with more words. These are common everyday words. Sophia, are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
The word is door.
I see a brown door. It's closed. It has a silver handle. I can imagine opening it.
Good. You can even imagine the action, opening the door. This makes it more real.
Yes. Now, listeners, visualize a door. What color is it? Is it open or closed? Can you imagine touching the handle? Create the picture in your mind.
Great. Let's do another one. The word is chair.
Okay. I see a wooden chair. It has 4 legs. There's a cushion on it. It's next to a table.
Perfect. You put it in a context, next to a table. This helps you remember.
Right. Context is important. Now, visualize a chair. What does it look like? What color is it? Where is it? Make the picture clear in your mind.
Excellent work. Now let's try some action words, verbs. These are a bit different.
Yes. For verbs, we visualize the action. We see someone doing something.
Right, let's try. The verb is run.
Okay, I see a person running. Their legs are moving fast. They're in a park. I can imagine the movement.
Perfect. You see the action happening? This is very important for verbs.
Yes, you don't just think about the word, you see the action in your mind.
Now, listeners, visualize someone running. See the legs moving. See the person moving forward. Create the picture. Do it now.
Good. Let's try another verb. The verb is eat.
I see someone eating. They have a fork. They're putting food in their mouth. Maybe they're eating pasta.
Great. You added details. The fork, the food, the action of putting food in the mouth.
Yes, details make the picture stronger. Now, listeners, visualize someone eating. What are they eating? How are they eating? See the action clearly.
Excellent. Let's do one more verb. The verb is sleep.
I see a person sleeping in a bed. Their eyes are closed. They're lying down. The room is dark and quiet.
Perfect. You created a complete scene. Now, listeners, visualize someone sleeping. See the person in bed, eyes closed, peaceful. Create that picture in your mind.
Great job, everyone. So this is the first step. When you learn new vocabulary, always create a mental image.
Yes, don't translate. Don't think about your language. Just create a picture and connect it to the English word.
Let's practice with a few more words. These are everyday objects. Sophia, the word is phone.
I see a phone. It's black. It's on a table. The screen is bright. I can imagine picking it up and checking messages.
Good. You added an action. Picking it up, checking messages. This makes it more real.
Right. Now, listeners, visualize your phone. What color is it? Where is it right now? Can you imagine holding it? Create the picture.
Excellent. Next word, book.
I see a book. It has a blue cover. It's thick. I can imagine opening it and reading the pages.
Perfect. You see it and you imagine using it. Now, listeners, visualize a book. What does the cover look like? Can you imagine opening it? Make the picture clear.
Great. Let's do a few more. Mark, the word is water.
I see a glass of water. It's clear. There are bubbles. I can imagine drinking it. It's cold and refreshing.
Excellent. You used your senses. Cold, refreshing. This makes the image stronger.
Yes, use all your senses when you visualize. What do you see? What do you feel? What do you hear?
This is a great tip. Now, listeners, visualize water. See a glass of water. Imagine drinking it. How does it feel? Cold? Refreshing? Create that complete picture.
Perfect. Let's try one more. The word is rain.
I see rain falling from the sky. The drops are hitting the ground. Everything is wet. I can hear the sound of rain. Pitter-patter.
Beautiful. You used sound. You can hear the rain. This makes the visualization very strong.
Yes, the more senses you use, the better. Now, listeners, visualize rain. See the drops falling. Hear the sound. Feel the wetness. Create that picture in your mind.
Perfect. Let's try one more. The word is rain.
I see rain falling from the sky. The drops are hitting the ground. Everything is wet. I can hear the sound of rain. Pitter-patter.
Beautiful. You used sound. You can hear the rain. This makes the visualization very strong.
Yes, the more senses you use, the better. Now, listeners, visualize rain. See the drops falling. Hear the sound. Feel the wetness. Create that picture in your mind.
Perfect. Let's try one more. The word is rain.
I see rain falling from the sky. The drops are hitting the ground. Everything is wet. I can hear the sound of rain, pitter-patter.
Beautiful. You used sound. You can hear the rain. This makes the visualization very strong.
Yes, the more senses you use, the better. Now, listeners, visualize rain. See the drops falling, hear the sound, feel the wetness. Create that picture in your mind.
Excellent work, everyone. Now let's talk about why this method works.
Yes, when you create a mental image, you connect the English word directly to the picture. There's no translation.
Right. Your brain learns to go from picture to English word, not from your language to English.
This makes your English faster and more natural.
And after you practice this many times, it becomes automatic. You don't need to think about it.
Exactly. You see an apple, and immediately the word apple comes to your mind in English. No translation needed.
So how do you practice this? It's very simple.
Every time you learn a new word, stop for a moment. Close your eyes if you need to. Create a clear picture in your mind.
Yes, make the picture detailed. Add colors, shapes, actions, sounds, feelings.
And then say the English word while you see the picture. Connect them together.
Do this every time you learn new vocabulary. It only takes a few seconds, but it's very powerful.
Let's practice with a short story. I will tell you a story, and I want you to visualize everything I say. Create pictures in your mind. Ready?
Great idea. Okay, listeners, close your eyes if you can. Create pictures for everything Sophia says.
Okay, here we go. Yesterday morning, I woke up early. I got out of bed. I walked to the kitchen. I opened the fridge. I took out some eggs. I cracked the eggs into a pan. I cooked them. The eggs were yellow and white. They smelled good. I put the eggs on a plate. I sat down at the table. I ate my breakfast. It was delicious.
Excellent story, Sophia. Now, listeners, did you create pictures? Did you see Sophia getting out of bed? Did you see the kitchen? Did you see the eggs in the pan?
Yes. If you created pictures for each part, you practiced visualization. This is exactly what you need to do.
And notice, when you visualize the story, you understand it better. You remember it better.
Exactly. Pictures help you understand and remember.
Now, let's practice the other way. I will show you pictures with words, and you create the mental image. Then we'll use those words in sentences.
Good idea. Okay, listeners, I will say 3 words. Create a picture for each word. Ready? The words are cat, sofa, sleep.
Okay, I see a cat. It's orange and white. It's lying on a sofa. The sofa is gray. The cat is sleeping. Its eyes are closed.
Perfect. You created one complete picture with all 3 words. Now, listeners, do the same. Visualize a cat on a sofa sleeping. Make it clear in your mind.
Great. Now let's make a sentence with these words. The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Excellent. You visualized it first, then you made the sentence. This is the natural way.
Now, listeners, say the sentence out loud. The cat is sleeping on the sofa, and see the picture in your mind as you say it.
Perfect. Let's try another set of words. Mark, here are 3 words. Boy, park, run.
Okay, I see a young boy. He's wearing a red shirt. He's in a park. There are trees around. He's running. His legs are moving fast. He looks happy.
Excellent visualization. Very detailed. Now, listeners, create your picture. A boy in a park running. See it clearly.
Good. Now let's make a sentence. The boy is running in the park.
Perfect. Now, listeners, say it out loud. The boy is running in the park. See the picture as you say the words.
Excellent. This is how you connect pictures and English words.
Let's do one more. Here are the words. Mark, here are the words woman, coffee, drink.
I see a woman. She has dark hair. She's holding a cup of coffee. The cup is white. She's drinking the coffee. She looks relaxed.
Great picture. Now, listeners, visualize it. A woman drinking coffee. Make it clear in your mind.
Now the sentence. The woman is drinking coffee.
Perfect. Say it out loud, everyone. The woman is drinking coffee. See the picture as you speak.
Excellent work. Now let's review what we learned today.
Today, we learned about visualization. This is the first step to thinking in English.
Visualization means creating mental images. When you learn a new word, you make a picture in your mind.
You don't translate the word. You just create a picture and connect it to the English word.
For objects, you visualize what they look like. Color, shape, size, location.
For actions, for verbs, you visualize someone doing the action. You see the movement.
You can use all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel?
The more detailed your picture, the stronger the connection in your brain.
And after you practice this many times, it becomes automatic. You see something and the English word comes immediately.
No translation needed. This makes your English faster and more natural.
So here's your homework. Every time you learn a new word this week, stop and visualize it.
Close your eyes. Create a clear, detailed picture. Then say the English word.
Do this with at least 5 new words every day.
And when you see objects around you, practice visualizing and thinking the English word.
For example, you see a tree. Create the picture in your mind. Think tree in English.
You see a car. Visualize it. Think car in English.
This simple practice will change the way you think. You will start thinking in English naturally.
Now we have a question for you. This is your practice for today.
We want you to write a comment. Choose 3 objects you can see right now. Describe them in English.
Here's a sentence frame to help you. I see a blank. It is blank. It is blank.
For example, I see a lamp. It is tall. It is white.
Or, I see a window. It is big. It is clean.
Now it's your turn. Look around you. Choose 3 objects. Describe each one with 2 or 3 sentences. Write it in the comments.
And remember, visualize each object as you write. See it clearly in your mind.
Don't worry about mistakes. The important thing is to practice. Every time you practice, you get better.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. Just keep practicing.
And don't forget to download the free lesson. The link is in the description. It has more examples and exercises for visualization.
Please subscribe to our podcast. Click the like button. Share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
And if you have ideas for future topics, write them in the comments. We love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this lesson helps you start thinking in English.
Yes, remember, create pictures in your mind. Connect pictures to English words. No translation.
You can do this. Practice every day, and you will see big changes.
Good luck with your practice. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.